everyone, how are you today? Today I'm going to make a real simple flavored whipped topping. I'm going to bring in and show you how I'm doing 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I pour that in there. In here you need 4 tablespoons of Jello flavoring, whatever flavor you want. I picked cherry today. So I took out 4 tablespoons. And you take hot water and I did 2 shot glasses of water, and then I had to put it in the microwave, and it was hot water, but the ideal of it is to get all of the grains, to make it smooth. I'm gonna pour that right in there. For the powdered sugar, it called for 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Okay. And then I like to add whatever flavoring I'm doing. Like I'm adding a little bit of almond extract to this because I think the cherry and almond will be a good flavor. So, and I'm going to do a teaspoon of that. And if you're doing lemon, then you can do lemon extract. See, you get where I come in here. Pecan, you can do the pecan, whatever. It would be spectacular. Blend it all, and we'll be back. See how nice and thick that is? That's how you want it. And then you can put it in a bag and make it little treats with it or on top of whatever you want. This is gonna go on top of a cake that I'm making. So, and I wanted it flavored instead of just plain. I wanted something different. And you can make it just with Jello and where you don't have to do the heat up the Jello, but I like it that way so it's not gritty. So, well, I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna taste it here for you. You hear the lawnmower behind me, so that's what's going on there. I'm gonna try this, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. So good. All right, everyone. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.